In this video, we will learn how to add the RAUPIANO Plus template to the list, which appears in the New Project dialog box. This allows you to select the template from the list when creating a new project. Click on File tab, then on Options. Click on the File Location tab. Click on the plus symbol, Add Value. Select RAUPIANO Plus template and click on Open. The template was added to the list. Click on OK. Now, to create a new project, click on the File tab, New, and then Project. Select REHAU RAUPIANO Plus template from the template list. Now, you can start planning your project using REHAU template. This process is a one-time process. You only need to do it once for each Revit version on your computer. In the next video, we will find out what to do if you have already drawn your project using standard pipes. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.